Ever wonder how your food stays safe from farm to fork? It's not magic, it's science. Meet HACCP, a powerful food safety system developed by a group called HACCP. Think of it as a super smart shield for your food before HACCP even kicks in. There are prerequisite programs like good manufacturing practices, setting the stage for safety. Then, the real action starts with the 7 core principles of HACCP. First, identify potential hazards. Second, pinpoint critical control points where you can stop those hazards. Third, set limits for each point. Fourth, monitor everything constantly. Fifth, have a plan for when things go wrong. Sixth, verify the system is working. And seventh, keep detailed records of it all. This systematic approach makes our food supply one of the safest in the world, ensuring what you eat is always protected. Now that's some serious food for thought. Thanks for watching.